everyone, welcome back to Heredity Academy YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of solution. आज we are going to process how to prepare 2 molar NaOH solution. Sodium hydroxide or NaOH is a powerful base with a wide range of applications in laboratory. So before diving into the preparation process, let's understand why NaOH is so important. NaOH or sodium hydroxide is a versatile chemical used in various chemical reactions, titration and other laboratory procedures. Its high alkalinity nature makes him so important in many laboratory procedures. For the preparation of 2 molar NaOH stock solution, we need 2 key ingredients. First one is the solid sodium hydroxide or NaOH, high purity NaOH pellets or flakes. And the second one is the distilled water, pure water free from ions and impurities. For the preparation of 2 molar NaOH stock solution, we need 8 gram of NaOH for 100 ml. So first, we will measure 50 ml of distilled water. Add this distilled water to the beaker. After that, we will weigh 8 gram of sodium hydroxide pellet. We required 8 gram for 2 molar NaOH. After that, we will add this NaOH to this beaker. Then we will mix it by using a glass rod. After the NaOH completely dissolved in the distilled water, we will transfer this mixture to a measuring cylinder. By the help of this glass rod, we will transfer this mixture to the measuring cylinder. Here we are preparing 100 ml of 2 molar NaOH solution. So first I have taken 50 ml of distilled water. So for now we will make up the volume to 100 ml. So now our 100 ml of 2 molar NaOH solution is ready now. We will transfer this solution to a glass bottle. And then we will label it properly. Thank you for watching Heredity Academy YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.